Hello guys, welcome back to SciTech Hub. So in our last video we learned the basics of JavaScript, and we did a code how to write a JavaScript file, JavaScript document.write and alert, and hopefully you liked our previous video. Today in this video we will learn how to add an external JavaScript file, and we will learn the DOM, document object model. Okay, so let's start with adding an external JS file. For that you need to create a file and save it with a JS extension, and create another HTML file, open it and add the script tag. In the script tag you need to add that src.js. Let's start. Okay, so first we will create a HTML file, days.html. okay, and create a JavaScript file. Let's name it days.js. okay, so right click, open with Visual Studio Code. So you can open it with Notepad, any editor. What's your preference? See, already the days.html it's written, HTML tag, head, body. Okay, so you can open it test.js with same open with Visual Studio, or you can simply click and drag and drop to this section. Okay, so we'll do the same thing, document dot write SciTech okay, so let's save it, and initially we will open it script and in the head section. Okay, so for this is the element, script element, and there's a attribute called src. src represents the source, so simply test.js. so let's open the test.html. yes, here it is. If we write any alert message here, so go and write some alert message. Alert, hey, external JS file. Let's see, let's refresh it. Yes, here it is, the alert. So you can put this script tag anywhere in the head section, or you can also put that in the body section, right? The result same. Okay, so this is we can add, this is how we can add external JS file. Next, go to the DOM. What is DOM? Yes, DOM is document object model. When a web page has been loaded in the browser, and the browser creates a DOM, object representation. Document, what is document? Document is that web page, and then DOM is the object oriented representation of the web page. And by this DOM we can manipulate the HTML files, HTML tags, HTML properties, CSS styles using the JavaScript. So we can say this is the document, and this is the root element is HTML, and then root element has two elements, that's head element and body element, right? And body element can have others element like anchor element. Click me. So this tag is, this is anchor element tag, and href, this is the attribute of anchor element. Let's say www.google.com. we need to put http:// need to refresh it. Yes, it will redirect to google.com. Okay, so whenever the browser loads this web page, this HTML head, body, this anchor, div, others elements like div, p tags, input type tags, these kinds of things convert into the objects orient things, and we can access it through the document object. So like here the same thing, document.write. See, document is the web page, and write will write its method which will write the SciTech Hub on the document. Similarly, same thing, we can write a div tag, put a id, demo id, so we will write the something inside this demo div using JavaScript. So for that we need to get that element, document dot get element id. This is the function. We need to pass the div id, here it is demo, and its property to write, that is inner HTML. Say inner HTML. It is a demo div. Okay, but let's see what happened. Oops, it's not running. Yes, if you press that Control Shift J to the Google Chrome browser, or you can click the inspect element, this, right click on this and inspect element, you can get the console, and you can see the error, cannot set property inner HTML of null. That is because that script tag is loaded above the demo div. So means when the demo, before the demo div, this function has been executed. It is, and here it is finding the demo div, but it is not loaded yet. If we cut this script tag and put it just before the div demo, so let's see what happened. Yes, it's a demo div. It comes in the console. It's not showing any error message. So now the question is that if we want to get any demo tag or any ID or manipulate the thing, so we need to put that script tag every time below that particular div. No, we can put it in the head tag also, but for that we need to check whether that DOM is completely loaded or not. If it is loaded, then we can execute this code. So to check whether the document is fully loaded or not, there's a JavaScript function which will trigger every time when JavaScript state has been changed. Like document, the function is document dot on ready state change function. This function will check what is the state of what is the state of the document dot ready state. It is actually document dot ready state, and this will tell what is the status of the document, means whether it is loaded or not. So we will check it whether it is loaded or not. If document dot ready state is equals to complete, if it is complete, then we will set the inner HTML of the demo tag. Let's check. Yes, there's no error message, and it's a demo div. It is also coming. So what onReady state change does? OnReady state change, every time it will trigger when the documents ready state has been changed. Means document has 3 ready state. One is loading, that is the initial stage, ready state, loading. Another is an interactive, ready state, interactive, another is complete. So whenever the state changes to loading, to interactive, to complete, this onReady state change will trigger. And what do you mean by that? Loading, interactive and complete. Loading is the state when the document is going to load. It's starting to load its DOM elements. Interactive, it means this is the stage where the documents, all the elements has been loaded, but the external stuffs like image, CSS, external JS, these files are not loaded yet. And complete, that means everything has been loaded, everything, the external image, the elements, everything. So this ready state, so this will trigger that on ready state change will trigger every time, every 3 times, and we will check whether it is complete, means the DOM is loaded fully completely. It will set the document.getElement by id demo is inner HTML as it's a demo div. So guys, this is for the basic DOM architecture, DOM function on ready state change. We can do many more things with the DOM in the advanced mode. We'll make a video later. Okay, thank you for. If you find this video interesting, please like, subscribe and share with your friends, and do not forget to watch our next video in the series. Thank you.